So this question is figuring out if you understand the law of definite proportions. So it simply says this, that if it requires 100 grams of calcium and 56 grams of nitrogen to make 156.5 grams of calcium nitride, that's what we've concluded here, that the next thing we want to figure out is if we wanted to make 1,000 grams. Now, 1,000 grams is the same thing as 1 kilogram, so you need to recognize that. So 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. If we want to make 1,000 grams, then we want to figure out what the ratio is between the 156.5 grams that we've made with 100 grams of calcium and 56 grams of nitrogen and 1,000 grams of the product we want. And so to figure that out, we take 1,000, divide that by 156.5, and we come up with 6.390. So what that means is that if I take 6.390 and multiply it by the mass of the calcium that it took to make the 156 grams, I come up with 639.0 grams of calcium. And if I take that same 6.390, because it's the same ratio to mass of nitrogen, multiply that by 56.5 grams of nitrogen, I get 361 grams of nitrogen. Now notice that my significant figures are different here because when I multiply 100.0 grams by 6.390, each of those have 4 significant figures. But here I have 3 significant figures by 56.5 multiplied by a 4 significant figure number. So I'm only going to have 3 significant figures in that answer. So that's how you can work your way through that problem.